Brasil, Brasil, futebol. Brasil, Brasil, futebol. Brasil, Brasil, futebol. Brasil, Brasil, futebol.
The show is a whirlwind ride through Brazil's history of survival. It shows how a country born in chains, in slavery and shame, how it became the greatest football playing country in the world. So in a way it's a tribute to the incredible spirit of survival that you see in every Brazilian on this stage and in Brazil today. We're working together with Developing World Health to focus on the Chagas disease in Brazil, and hopefully these Brazilians will go back to Brazil and the social work will continue in Rio de Janeiro and Salvador de Bahia.
The 50 Pence campaign is a joint venture between our charity Developing World Health and the Schistosomiasis Control Initiative, part of Imperial College London. Interesting thing about a 50 pence piece is it actually has 7 sides, and this coin can actually treat one child against the 7 most common neglected tropical diseases for a whole year. There's also enough left over to help educate and also go towards research and development for other neglected diseases like African sleeping sickness, which desperately needs new treatments.
We had samba, we had percussion, we have capoeira. Now we have football. One of the important things in Brazil. We bring to show all around the world how Brazil lives.